Here at Golf Cars of Beaumont, we like to offer many options for our customers, a large variety of cars. But to make it easier for you, we've compiled some packages together. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Classic package. This car comes with a 4-year warranty, covers all the main things on the car, longest warranty in the industry. This car has a 5.8 gallon tank, you get over 200 miles on a tank of gas, 40 miles a gallon. But what's most important about these Yamaha cars, with the Quietech, it's by far the quietest car. You can barely hear it when you're driving, almost like an electric car, it's so quiet. All of our Yamaha gas cars, other than the quiet technology, this is the biggest selling point, and that's the independent rear suspension. These cars are the smoothest golf carts on the market. This comes with a 6-inch lift kit, 23-inch tires, 14-inch wheels. Comes with a brush guard right here. Also comes with a fold-up windshield, tinted. It comes with adjustable side mirrors. The back seat folds out for storage. You can put a cooler, whatever you want back here. You got your reflector back here. This car also comes with a Yamaha factory top that has built-in gutters, where the water will actually drain down here. The Classic package, and every package here also comes with blinkers. It also comes with brake lights. The logo lights up. Hazard lights. You have 4 cup holders. Space for storage here. These are where your golf balls go here. And your golf tees, for those of you that do play golf. You have here's your hour meter. This one in particular has 0.4 hours on it. And you have your gas gauge here. This is forward, that's reverse, that's neutral. Horn. I strongly recommend you come drive one of these. You will be very impressed.